Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And in this video, I'm going to be giving you a couple of ribbon tips and show you a great card idea. But first, I want to talk a little bit about the products that I used. And as this video is airing on November 3rd, 2020, this brand new Curvy Celebrations product line is debuting from Stampin' Up! It includes this very lovely, quite curvy bundle with these beautiful sentiments and images and these great dies. Oh, you'll love that. And also, during this special time, which the promotional offer is November 3rd to January 4th, 2021. And right now, during that time, this Curvy Christmas stamp set and this Classic Christmas Designer Series paper is available also, but only during this time. This bundle will be in the new mini catalog that debuts in January. But right now, Stampin' Up! Has a special, and you can order the Quite Curvy bundle by itself, or you can get the Christmas and the paper, the Curvy Christmas and the paper separately, or you can get it in the variety bundle, which is the best deal. You get all of these items at 10% off, so that's $70.50 in the US for all of these items. And I'm telling you, it is so much fun to work with. So let me show you the card that I made. It's a Christmas card with really non-traditional colors, but look at that. Look at those curves and that detail with those cutouts. And then this little line of trees. That was so fun. Now, if you decide you want this, you head on over to my blog. I have a special gift if you order this Curvy Celebrations bundle from me. So anyway, be sure to check that out at InkandInspirations.com. The link is in the details here below the video on YouTube. So let me tell you about the ribbon now. Sometimes you just need a certain color, right? So I'm going to make a suggestion. If you have any of our Stampin' Blends alcohol markers, this is a great tool you're going to use. And then this ribbon here, which is in the Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog, it's the Whisper White, let me make sure I say it right, crinkled seam binding ribbon. Okay, it's very thin and beautiful. It's crinkled and it's very easy to tie bows on cards, and it's very lightweight. And that's what I used right here. But I wanted the Night of Navy color to go along with my sentiment and my blue sky. So what did I do? I'm going to get some scrap paper, and I've already cut a piece here, the length that I need. And I'm just going to lay that over top, and you can use the bullet tip end if you'd like to color this, or the brush tip. I know sometimes I'll use the bullet tip so that I don't fray my brush tip. And look, watch this. I mean, look at it turn that color, and it dries very quickly. Okay, so this is with the bullet tip. I'm going to turn it over and show you how to do it with the brush tip. Just be gentle and don't use it with the point down, okay? Just like this. I mean, look at that. It's beautiful. And just think, you could have any color ribbon as long as you have the Stampin' Blends to go to match, and it can coordinate with your project. Isn't that pretty? Okay, and so let me show you. I'm going to flip it over. And many times, because of the nature of the alcohol marker, the color will just go right through to the other side. Isn't that great? Okay, so just a tip, and I hope you will use this, because I know many of you have the Stampin' Blends or alcohol markers that you can use. And this ribbon, again, is the Whisper White Crinkled Seam Binding ribbon. Love it. Okay, now, to put it on my card, okay, see, it goes through just, it's a landscape card. So what I do for that, so that it can just loop around that card front, is I take my card base and I take my paper snips, and I'm just going to take, I know the ribbon is going to go right through here, So I'm just going to take a little snip out of the fold, okay? Just a tiny little snip, okay? Where you can barely tell it's even there. And your ribbon will slide right through there, just like I did on this one, see? And then there it is around the inside of your card, and you've got a beautiful embellishment for your card making projects. Okay, don't forget to check out the White Curvy Bundle and the Curvy Celebrations Variety Bundle that is now available from Stampin' Up. If I can help you with anything, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com for more details, and I will see you again soon. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.